right, we are live here in Wesley Chapel. So let's wait a few minutes so people can hop on.
Come join us, people.
Mario Mejia with JUM Financial is our photographer today. And so, Mario, make sure you tell us if anybody comments and if they have questions we can answer along the way.
I will.
All right.
But I am Michele Curtin with Cartwright Realty, ShellsFloridaHomes.com. I can be reached at 813-693-2224. And with me is Carlos Ramos.
Hey, everybody. I'm Carlos Ramos with Bay Equity Home Loans. You can reach me at 813-767-1887. And we are here today. What are we doing today?
We are having an open house.
Open house, that's right.
Open house in this beautiful Wesley Chapel neighborhood. This is
Big
called
house.
Morningmist. And what I found out this morning from one of the neighbors that stopped me, because as you can see, we put out a ton of signs when we do an open house.
Yeah, we have signs everywhere here.
Because when we list your home at Cartwright Realty, and especially when I do, ShellsFloridaHomes.com, I want to make sure it gets as much attention as it can.
That's right.
So I put out tons and tons of signs when I do an open house. I advertise it on Facebook, Eventbrite, Instagram, Craigslist. Yeah, you will get attention on your house. And as a matter of fact, these homeowners told me that before they left the house, as I was getting ready to come back after putting signs out, their doorbell did not stop ringing. Yeah. So I forgot to tell them, don't answer the door.
Yeah. So that means it's a hot market. People are ready to buy and check out this house. So if you want to check out this house before it's sold, you better hurry up and come out and visit us today, right? How long are we going to be here for?
We are here from 12 to 2 today, Saturday, August 18th.
Okay.
So let's come on in, see what it's all about.
Let's take a quick view of the house.
So the address is 29643 Morningmist Drive in Wesley Chapel, 33543. And this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,665 square feet.
After you, young lady.
Come on in. And so as you come in the front door, you've got your first bedroom here, and they are using this currently as an office/fitness room. But you've got a nice big window that faces the very quiet street up front.
So they could turn that into an office if somebody wanted to as well.
Mm-hmm. And then in here, you've got your galley-style kitchen, and they have an extra desk here. But this would definitely serve well as an eat-in kitchen. And then you've got your laundry here, and room for a washer dryer. And I will tell you in a minute if those are included, I'm not sure.
Right.
And then a large pantry behind here. Mm-hmm. Behind you, we've got the door to the 2-car garage. And then all black appliances, nice birch wood cabinets. And then here you've got your dining area and your family room, so it's a nice open floor plan, great for entertaining.
That's right, a lot of room. Big
Carlos
ceiling.
is tall, and look how much room there is between him and the ceiling. So.
And we have my bodyguard back there. Sebastian's visiting. So, all right, what else?
And then through here is the master bedroom.
All right.
Carlos is trying to get me to talk fast because people are coming in the door. So we've got our master bedroom and then the ensuite bath through here. And so you've got the full shower, the private commode area with a door.
Where is it?
Down here, see the toilet. And then there's a walk-in closet through here. And then another closet here, which is just a standard closet. So you've got his and hers. And then across the family room here, remind me to talk about the outside too, because it's got a really nice backyard. So here's bedroom number 2. So nice and spacious rooms. And here's bathroom 2. And that's got a shower and a tub. And then here is bathroom 3. I'm sorry, bedroom 3. Or you could say bedroom 4 because we already saw that one up front. So total of 4 bedrooms altogether.
Very nice.
Yeah, absolutely. It's got a great backyard.
Let's go on in the back.
So here we've got a nice screened lanai. And for you northerners who have not yet moved to Florida, that's what we call a back patio here, is a lanai. Because we're cool. And then the entire yard is fully fenced. Yeah, it's pretty.
A lot of room for a pool, parties, all the stuff you can do out here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, put a nice hot tub up here as well.
Yeah.
Karaoke. That's what that would be.
Karaoke night.
Karaoke night.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, and as you can see, it's very, very quiet in the neighborhood in general, but definitely around this house.
Yeah.
You've got no rear neighbors, and you've got, again, it's fully fenced, so lots
Gorgeous.
of privacy.
Yeah, a lot of room, so I say we end it out here because it's so nice out. We want people to see how nice it is out here.
All right. Yeah, especially my friends up north in Cleveland who want to see how nice it is here in Florida because you want to move to Tampa.
That's right. You know,
Be near me and in the Sunshine State. I mean, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous weather we're having. It's
beautiful day.
beautiful here in Wesley Chapel, Florida. So again, if you're interested in this house, it's 29643 Morningmist Drive in Wesley Chapel. It's going for $245.
$245.
And I think at that price it's going to go pretty quickly. So make sure you call me today at 813-693-2224. My website is shellsfloridahomes.com. And if you have any questions about how to finance your purchase and mortgage rates and everything that's going on in the world of finance, call Carlos.
That's right.
And Carlos, give them your information.
That's right. So I'll give you a nice, see what we can do to give you an idea how much this house will cost you. Feel free to give me a call, 813-767-1887. This is an awesome home. We're going to be here till 2 o'clock, so you definitely want to come out and visit this house.
Absolutely.
All right. I guess that's it.
That's
All right.
it.
We'll see you guys soon.
All right.
Come on and visit.